Guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my fluid art channel here in Studio 205. Glad to have you here as usual, hopefully, or welcome to new subscribers. Or if you're just some random person that found me on YouTube, stick around, see what the fuss is about. So this is basically a continuation from the last video. It's the same day, and I'm going to do those same color shifty colors on a white base just to see what it looks like. I always prefer white over black, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to stay big too, so let me get you down. Hi guys, so this is basically a continuation from the video I did where I used tricorn black. I'm going to use the same colors in white and see how that looks. And I'll name the colors as I go. I just had a come to Jesus meeting with my tenant, Mr. Brown Recluse Spider. He was out and about walking around the studio like he owned the place. And I'm like, you either go back behind the fridge or you're going to meet your demise. And he kind of sauntered off. I think he got scared because, you know, it is just a spider after all. So let's go again and let's put down the Pebeo Studio Acrylics and iridescent blue black. And I don't think it'll turn, ooh, I'm almost out of it. I can always make more, but if I screw up this painting. And this is a chunky 10 by 20. So there's iridescent blue black. And then let's put hammerhead, this little piggy and hammerhead on top of it. Oh my gosh, I love those two together. Lots of hammerhead. And then let's do Waterfall next. This is Piggy Day, except for the blue black. Definitely lots of pigments. There's Waterfall. I'm going to follow that up with Unicorn. I love all these colors together. So see if I like it better on the black or the white. And then Amsterdam Lamp Black Cell Activator. And we'll give this a go. There we go. Cool air high fan. All right, I got all involved with the line work. I was like having a ball doing all this stuff on the edges. I need to break out another really big canvas so I can just, you know, do nothing but line work everywhere because I love it so much. I feel like I'm going to need to tilt this a little bit. I'm happy that it is not a wall of color. I still have the purple undertones going on. I wonder if I need to put some white up at those two corners. Let me do that real quick. I usually put some in a quart cup or something, but I didn't today. So let me just spin it toward me a second. And just add a little bit right here, just a dollop. And right there. Anywhere else? Maybe this other corner. I think there's plenty here. This other corner. Oops. I kind of missed. Alright. Two over there, somewhere safe. Let's give this a spin. This will match my bathroom, for sure. Well, before I spin, I'm going to tilt. No, I'm going to go. Yeah, I'm glad I put paint on the corners for sure. It needs something in that whole quadrant up there. I don't know if I could tilt it. I don't know if I like this thing either. And again with the purple, that's the blue black. I swear, I'm going to have to do another painting, I think, in it, omit it, because it is definitely adding too much purple to my art. I love the color, don't get me wrong, but it's not what I was going for. I'm going to tilt it just like a little bit up this way. There's still a ton of paint on it. Look how fast it's moving. Yeah, let's go up there. I might have went up a little too far. So up, and then let's go over. This way. All right, let's spin. Man, this purple here, not a fan. I'm just taking some of the white with some of the black lines in it that's on my table from where I spilt my white. Make use of it. Put it there. There's some shadows up there I want to get rid of. I like that it's a little off center. I'm always a fan of that. I do like all the white and not just a wall of color. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I could lose my shadows. I did. Oh my gosh, I love the edges here and over here. Let me stare at this part here. Do I want to cut that in even more? Let me see how much that bugs me. It bugs me. It does bug me. I'm waiting for it to settle down. I'll wipe my edges a second. I don't know if I like this thing. Like this little petal just like sticking out. What do I do about it? Are you gonna finger paint on this? Let me grab a palette knife. Oh yeah, way better. Hopefully that fills in. We'll give it a second. This stuff. Man, I just don't like all of this purple right here. Let's see if I can like smear it around. Not a fan, man. I'm going to go under this, the hammerhead here, and then kind of drag it out and bring it back down. You liking that better? Definitely like this side better. Yeah, I think I'm liking the bottom too. I'm feeling, it's so weird. You think I'd be used to it by now? After, you know, nearly 500 videos? I'm feeling incredibly self-conscious talking to myself out loud today. Normally, I don't even think about it. But today, I'm like, who are you talking to, girl? This is like, I don't know. It's weird. I've forgotten how weird it is, and all of a sudden I remember today. I'm liking this better. This is like, I feel like now I'm making these paintings, and I'm trying to make one for myself. And I'm like, oh, this one will sell, because again, with the purple, and I really thought that by using the white instead of the black, it would be blue black and not purple, but man, that's all I can see. It's hella pretty though. I'm really loving what I did right there, and I'm glad I broke up that bulbous thing too. Yeah, I think I'm saying ta-da. I think I'm going to give it one more baby spin just to make sure I got enough paint. But my puddle, my initial puddle wasn't that big. I know I got a little more coming off, and this should do the trick. And we'll let that run down. Am I paying for the consequences of my actions? No, you're not. Everything looks great. That one's hella pretty. Yeah, I'm saying ta-da. Let me find a home for him and get you guys down. Okay, guys, so here's the wet results of this one. You can tell it's the same day because there's the wet results of the last one. And Quite the difference, right? It still does the whole purple. So instead of blue black, it's doing purple blue. You see that? Look, like stare right in there. Where it's all purple, blue, purple, blue. Although that could be unicorn mixing in too, because unicorn is color shift as well. So a lot of shifty characters going on in this one. I don't like this orientation. Let me go to the other side of the table. Yes, much better in this orientation. I don't know why. Just a personal preference. Let me come in on some of the shifty stuff. I don't even have my flash on. I don't even need it. There's the part I fixed. I like that. I love the unicorn mixing with the blue black. But for me, it's all the outer edge stuff. That's always my favorite. Oh, up in here, that's all color shifty there as well. I'm just not a black base girl. It's just not my aesthetic. It's fun every once in a while. So while I do like that one, I always prefer the light and airy look of white over the black. But yeah, total personal preference. I'll be back with the dry results of this guy. See you soon. All right, guys, I'm back with the white version, and it's dried, and this is very pretty, but the color shift colors definitely showed up better on the black base. Like on white, don't get me wrong, it's still very pretty, and I do like all the white, but like you can see some of the purple shifting, but nowhere near as dramatic as it was on the black base. I still like this though, and you know, not everyone wants all blingy on their walls anyway, so I think this is a nice subtle version of that, but that's the difference between the black and the white. I do really like the composition of this though. I do like all the white spaces. I think it adds to the painting so it's not a wall of color. Anyway, that's it for me today. We've got one more in this little Shifty series. We'll call it the Shifty series. And I'm going to do one more in the black again, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.